Ever wondered why denim skirts never go out of fashion? Why are they so versatile? These are great questions to ponder. Denim skirts are indeed a timeless classic. They have the unique ability to transform and adapt to multiple styles, making them a versatile piece in every wardrobe. Denim skirts have a rich history, originating from durable workwear in the late 19th century. They have evolved drastically since then, becoming a staple in the world of fashion. Their versatility is truly remarkable, allowing them to be dressed up or down to suit various occasions. Whether you're heading to a casual brunch or a formal dinner, a denim skirt can easily be your go-to piece. It can be paired with a multitude of tops and accessories, creating looks that range from edgy to feminine, vintage to modern. No matter the style or wash you prefer, there's a denim skirt out there that will seamlessly blend into your wardrobe. It's not just a piece of clothing, but a testament to your personal style and individuality. So if you're looking for a piece that's both functional and fashionable, a denim skirt is a perfect choice. Denim skirts come in a plethora of styles, each with its own unique charm. Let's dive into the world of denim and explore the various styles that have captured the hearts of fashion enthusiasts everywhere. First, we have the A-line denim skirt. This style is a classic, known for its universally flattering silhouette. The skirt flares out gently from the waist, creating a shape that resembles the letter A. It's a versatile piece, equally at home in a casual setting or dressed up for a more formal occasion. Next, there's the distressed denim skirt. This style is all about attitude. With its intentional tears and frayed edges, it exudes an edgy, rebellious vibe. It's the perfect choice for those who like their fashion with a bit of grit. For a touch of vintage charm, look no further than the button-front denim skirt. This style features a row of buttons running down the front, adding a dash of retro appeal. It's a delightful nod to the past, while still feeling fresh and modern. Then, we have the Midi denim skirt. Falling somewhere between the knee and the ankle, this style offers a longer length that's both elegant and sophisticated. It's a wonderful option for those seeking a more modest, yet still fashionable, denim option. The frayed stitch denim skirt is a playful take on the classic denim skirt. With its exposed stitching and raw edges, it's a fun, quirky style that's sure to turn heads. The pencil denim skirt is sleek and chic. It hugs the body closely, highlighting your curves. This style is a great option for a more polished, professional look. The patchwork denim skirt is a unique style that's full of character. It features different pieces of denim stitched together, creating a unique, eclectic look that's sure to stand out. Finally, there's the wrap denim skirt. This style wraps around the body and ties at the waist, creating a feminine silhouette that's both stylish and comfortable. From edgy distressed skirts to feminine wrap skirts, there's a denim skirt for every fashion preference. Choosing the right denim skirt is all about considering your body shape and preferred wash. When it comes to choosing a denim skirt, it's not a one-size-fits-all scenario. The key is to understand your body shape and how different styles of skirts can enhance your best features. For instance, A-line skirts are universally flattering for all body types. They cinch at the waist and flare out gently, creating a balanced silhouette. So whether you're apple, pear, hourglass, or rectangle shaped, an A-line denim skirt can be your wardrobe's best friend. But don't let this stop you from exploring other styles. Button front skirts, with their straight cut, can elongate the figure, making them a great choice for petite or pear-shaped bodies. For those with an hourglass figure, a pencil denim skirt can accentuate your curves in all the right places. And if you're aiming for a relaxed boho vibe, a wrap skirt can give you a feminine touch, perfect for those with a rectangle body shape. Now let's talk about the wash. The color of your denim skirt can play a huge role in setting the tone of your outfit. Light washes lean towards casual, laid-back looks, while dark washes can provide a more polished, dressy feel. If you're going for an edgy vibe, a distressed or acid wash skirt might just be your go-to. And remember, the wash isn't just about the color, it's also about the texture. A smooth, even wash gives a more formal look, while distressed or patchwork styles add character and a sense of individuality. Make sure to also consider the occasion. Are you dressing up for a date night or dressing down for a casual day out? A midi-length skirt in a dark wash can be perfect for a more formal setting, while a frayed stitch mini skirt in a light wash can be just the thing for a sunny day out. With the right denim skirt, you can enhance your best features and express your individual style. Styling a denim skirt is all about creativity and personal expression. The beauty of denim is its versatility, allowing you to craft looks that range from casual to chic, edgy to elegant. Let's delve into a few styling tips. Firstly, consider the top you pair with your denim skirt. For a casual, laid-back look, a simple white tee or a cozy sweater works wonders. Want to dress it up a bit? Opt for a silk blouse or a fitted blazer. The contrast between the rugged denim and the elegant top creates an interesting dynamic that's sure to turn heads. Next, let's talk accessories. A statement belt can accentuate your waist and add a pop of personality. Chunky boots or strappy sandals can transform your look depending on the occasion. Don't forget about jewelry. Layered necklaces or a pair of statement earrings can elevate your denim skirt outfit to new heights. Lastly, remember that the wash of your denim skirt can set the tone for your outfit. A dark wash skirt lends itself to more formal settings, while a light wash or distressed denim skirt exudes a more casual, carefree vibe. With a denim skirt, the possibilities for stylish outfits are endless. So, what have we learned about denim skirts today? Quite a lot, I'd say. We've discovered that denim skirts are much more than a simple wardrobe staple. They're versatile, timeless, and adaptable to various styles and occasions. We've explored the many styles available, from the universally flattering A-line to the vintage charm of button front designs, the edgy appeal of distressed looks, and the feminine grace of wrap skirts. We've delved into the rich history of denim skirts, from their origins as durable workwear to their evolution as a fashion essential. We've also learned that choosing the right denim skirt is all about considering your body shape and the wash you prefer. And we've shared some tips to style your denim skirt, highlighting how they can be paired with a variety of tops and accessories, dressed up for a fancy night out or down for a casual day at the office. Remember, a denim skirt is not just a piece of clothing, it's a fashion statement. Choose wisely, style confidently, and make it your own.